Hey guys, I'm Greg with Quantum Machinery Group, and today we're going to be checking out our System 16 32-inch by 48-inch workstation bundle. This table features a 1/2-inch thick through hardened 8.7 tool steel top, and it has been plasma nitrated and barcoded, and what that's going to do is help you against scratches, weld spatter, as well as rust. This table also features a reversible top, so if you have a crew that's hard on equipment, have no fear, just take out a few bolts, flip the top, and it has a whole new lease on life. The holes on this table are 2-inch on center, and they're 16mm bore. This table features tool storage as well as clamp storage on the side. It's a fully modular design, and it comes with 2 drawers with this specific kit, but you can buy more drawers on our website as well as more accessories for this table. The drawers can be configured in any way you like thanks to the modular layout of this table. You can adjust all the shelves, all the brackets, everything, any way you like to fit your fabrication needs. The table also features clean-out trays, and this is also going to help keep dust out of your drawers. Let's face it, you're going to drop bolts and nuts down into this table when you're assembling things, so just simply slide out the drawer, grab the nuts and bolts, and you're back in business. This table also features some casters so you can move it to where you need to work, and adjustable feet so you can level it out once it gets there. This kit includes 1 hex wrench, 4 basic screw clamps, 8 of our short fast clamping bolts, 6 3 3/16 universal stops, and 2 of our 3.5-inch stop and clamping squares. Whether you're a first-time fabricator or a pro, this table is going to change the way you can fabricate. So thank you guys so much for checking out this Siegmund workstation. Make sure to check out the links in the video's description for this, as well as all of our accessories that we have to offer for the System 16 tables. Follow us on social media so you can see new products coming out, new kits that are available, and also some customer builds. We thank you guys for taking the time to check out this 32-inch by 48-inch workstation bundle. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on fabricating.